On this episode, we're taking you exploring on our dinghy, Taco.
Do you know where the Pirates of the Caribbean was filmed?
This is great. Great. Rock and roll. It's so clear.
Are you ready to explore a Caribbean island?
Let's go to the bar. There's 2-for-1 happy hour.
Sit back and relax because we're about to get started.
I'm sitting over there. I'm drooling.
Welcome to Lazy Gecko Sailing. I'm Brittany, and this is Jeremiah. For 5 years, we've been sailing the world and filming it all for you.
Strong like a tree.
Now come along with us as we head for the Caribbean. Make sure to click subscribe so you don't miss any of the fun.
Hope they won't shoot me down soon.
We just got to Marigo Bay and saw a fast little speedboat coming in, taking a bunch of people here, and our patrons happen to be on that boat. So we're gonna go hunt our patrons down, see if we can't say hi. They were at our boat last night. Really, really nice. Jason and his wife, Rachel, they came to the boat last night. We had a couple beers. First time we've had patrons to our boat.
They happened to be vacationing in St. Lucia during our time there. It was great to get to know them.
It was cool to hand them some swag without it having to go through the mail, and it was exciting. We had a good time for sure. I think we spent like 3 hours just talking about sailing, life, their life, our life, the future, their dreams, and it was really, really neat. So I hope to go find them up here. The power boat sounded like everybody was partying for sure.
They're having a good old time.
They're like, woo!
That's good.
I thought somebody was gonna be like topless flashing. It was so wild.
Look, pirate ship.
We found you! That's awesome! We found him! Woo! Scoping out the area of the anchorage. We're trying to look for the area of the Pirates of the Caribbean where it was filmed, but it's gorgeous seas just to even look at. We're thinking about staying another day to explore the caves. Let's see what the fishermen tell us. Excuse me, do you know where the Pirates of the Caribbean was filmed?
Marigo Bay can be seen in the popular Pirates of the Caribbean film. We love the idea of showing Reese the filming locations and then watching the movie together.
Good luck.
Enjoy, guys. So they say the Pirates of the Caribbean has been filmed actually in the bay that we caught the ball in. They're right now fishing for tuna and they are catching. That's cool. It's gorgeous. What do you think, Captain?
Beautiful. It's like a little tiny boat ramp over there.
Yeah.
It's awesome. What do you think, Reese?
Do you like it?
It's going? It is going. Actually, it's nice. Ahoy!
As it turned out, our friends on Añejo had the same idea of exploring the area on their dinghy. They love to fish, so scouting out possible freediving spots to grab dinner was on their agenda.
The local fishermen, they're catching tuna. Yes.
Yeah, we didn't
Just
find
here.
a little overhang. They said it's like over here somewhere. Over there. But they said that the movie was filmed inside the bay that we're at, so I don't really know what part. But
Nice.
no, this is awesome. Like around here, it's like a little cove. You go underneath of it. So where's the movie film? He said in the bay, but in here. No, and then where we're anchored. What? Yeah. And then I said, where's the overhang where the skeletons were hanging? They said over here.
This is
But
great.
I think it might be at the corner.
It's like
I think I rented it.
perfect
I think it might
drone
be at the
footage.
corner, and I think that it might have been broken since then. Like it looks like it might have been broken. So should we go to the other side? Yeah, let's check it out.
Yeah.
Alright.
Let's race.
Let's do it.
Reese, rock and roll. So clear. Hey.
Look over here, buddy. Look at that. I bet crabs all over the island right here.
Oh yeah.
See them, Reese?
Yeah.
Look at them all.
What are they doing?
Crabs.
What's the crab doing?
They're just crawling around.
Daddy, does crabs pinch people?
Yeah, they're pinchy.
Dad, I didn't know that. Crabs can come along.
Yeah.
Go scuba dive the cave. We should go swimming right in. I know. That's awesome.
Can we go past?
Beautiful. Gorgeous.
Whoa, guys!
Look at that. How cool is that?
What's the length of Calypso?
44?
Catamaran.
Catamaran?
What do you think of that, Reese?
Look at that.
Look at that.
You want to go in there? Uh-oh. Shoot.
Honey. We're coasting awful close for you to have the engine shut down. I hope you're good with your dinghy.
Let's go, Dad.
All right,
There you go.
bring him. I'll sit back here.
All right.
You dip him in.
You want to get in there? You want to get wet?
Yeah,
All right.
I have to
Get up there.
wet.
Get up there.
What's all the
All right, get in there. Here we go.
A lot of boats named Calypso
Yeah.
down island.
Yeah, that's cool.
What does
It's
it
like,
mean?
well, they're all cousins. Calypso is also a genre of music. All right. Let's go to the bar. It's 2-for-1 happy hour.
All right. They're open.
This little bar/restaurant is just off Calypso's mooring. It's always such a cool feeling to 1, arrive by dinghy, and 2, having the whole place to yourself.
I'm sitting over there talking to Abel and Jeremiah. I'm drooling, Ellen.
What's been brewing?
I'm so drunk. There's spit coming out of my mouth.
Drooling.
After a fun night with friends, we dropped off the mooring ball and started sailing south again. The seas were perfect and so was the view. Winds were at 60 degrees and we were on a lovely port tack. Coming up on the Lazy Geckos.
Good morning over there on Añejo. Are you guys ready for a fun day of diving?
That was our first dive off the dinghy.
See you, Reese.
Shopski!
Good, good. Sailing over a volcano. That's the exclusion zone around Kickham Jetty. Hustle beer.
Just beached the dinghy. Big swell behind us. Annandale waterfall is so beautiful. And more laundry.
New battery. Let's see what you're doing. First off, there's rubbing all in here. There's a kink and then there's a pit right here, so that's bad. Oh, do you want to do a shot of this?
Yeah.
Want more? Check us out at lazygeckos.net. Remember, patrons can get complimentary access. You can also visit our Vimeo channel. The link is below. Don't forget to click subscribe to get all of the fun. See you next week.